Welcome to our week 9 screencast. This week you have a group topic discussion board responses due, as well as an annotated bibliography. So last week you started the group topic discussion by posting part of your proposal to the discussion forum for the selected area you chose to do your paper on. This week I want you to post at least 3 posts to other members of your group with sources that you think might be helpful to them. So make sure you're doing 3 separate posts, and if you're posting to one person with like 2 articles, make sure that you post both or each of those articles in separate posts so you get that 3 responses graded there. The second assignment this week you have is an annotated bibliography. Sorry, my decided to go off. Goodness. You're going to do an annotated bibliography. You're just going to click on this link to submit it. So you're going to have 10 sources. So you can use the sources from They Say, I Say. In fact, you should be using at least 2 and no more than 5 of the sources should come from the book and from the other readings and the links. And then you need to find other sources as well. So this is similar to the working bibliography that you did for your first essay, but the details are just slightly different. So again, you're going to include 10 sources. No fewer than 2 and no more than 5 should be from the readings that we did as a group. So that includes the links. If you want to include other readings from the book, you're welcome to do so, and those do not count towards that 2 to 5. At least 2 of your sources need to be peer-reviewed, and there's an explanation on what peer-reviewed means, and if you review the library resources video, that should be helpful as well. For each source that you include, you need to include an MLA citation, a brief summary of the source, and then you need to evaluate the source. So what are its strengths and weaknesses? How can you use it in your essay? And those should be about a paragraph each, so 3 to 5 sentences. You can also look in the Curious Researcher where it discusses annotated bibliographies on pages 73 to 75, and we're actually doing an evaluated bibliography which is on page 75. This assignment is worth 40 points, and here's the breakdown of the rubric as well. If you have any questions about any of the assignments this week, please feel free to let me know, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Thanks for listening to this screencast.